Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start cybersecurity risk assessments with Deloitte beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of cybersecurity risk assessments. Recognize that these assessments help identify vulnerabilities in your organization. Familiarize yourself with Deloitte's methodologies and frameworks for conducting risk assessments. Start by gathering your team, including relevant stakeholders, to ensure diverse perspectives. Define the scope of your assessment clearly. Identify the assets that need protection, such as data, systems, and intellectual property. Conduct a preliminary assessment to evaluate your organization's current security posture. Review existing policies and procedures related to cybersecurity. Collect data on past security incidents to understand potential risks. Establish a risk management team dedicated to overseeing the assessment process. Choose appropriate tools and software that can assist in conducting the assessment. Develop a timeline and allocate resources effectively for the assessment. Initiate a risk identification process by brainstorming potential threats and vulnerabilities. Utilize threat modeling techniques to visualize and categorize risks. Assess the likelihood and impact of each identified risk on your organization. Document your findings systematically for clarity and future reference. Prioritize the risks based on their potential impact and relevance to your organization. Create a risk mitigation strategy tailored to address the most critical risks first. Involve your team in reviewing the assessment results to gain insights and foster collaboration. Implement the proposed risk mitigation measures and monitor their effectiveness. Regularly update your risk assessment to reflect new threats and changes in your organization. Communicate your findings and strategies to all relevant stakeholders to ensure awareness. Establish a culture of continuous improvement in cybersecurity practices within your organization. Finally, schedule periodic reviews of your risk assessment process to keep it up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.